Hello fellows, we are discussing some applications of trigonometry. So today's section I am going to solve next problem, 11th one. Look at the problem. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite tower, the angle of elevation of a top of the tower is 60 degree. From other point 20 meter away from this point, the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and width of the canal. Look at the figure. Here AB is the TV tower which is vertical to the canal, and point C, other bank directly opposite to the canal, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree, and other point D is 20 meter away from the point C. So here point D, the angle of elevation of top of the tower is 30 degree. So here the angle of elevation is 30 degree, and here we want to find out height of the tower and width of the canal. Width of the canal means BC. Is it clear? So it is our given figure. So let me solve here. Solution. Let the TV tower be AB. Let the point C be such that CD equal to 20 meter. So this much they given, right? And look at the figure. Here tower is vertical to the ground. It means angle B is a 90 degree. And here we have two right triangle. One is ABC and another one is ABD. So first I will consider the right triangle ABC. So write down here. In a right triangle ABC, tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 equal to, so here 60 opposite is AB. AB divided by adjacent is BC. BC. And now here we know that the tan 60 value, that is root 3 equal to AB by BC. So this implies AB equal to root 3 BC. Call this equation 1. Is it clear? And now, so now I will consider the right triangle ABD. So write down here, right triangle ABD. We have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Here tan 30 equal to, so 30 opposite is AB. AB by adjacent is DB. DB. And now here, and we know that the tan 30 value, that is 1 by root 3 equal to AB as it is, and this divided by, look at the figure, instead of this BD we can write DC plus BC. DC plus BC is a BD. So here DC value they only given 20 meter. So here 20 plus BC. Instead of this BD we can write 20 plus BC. And now here 20 plus BC comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. So 20 plus BC divided by root 3 equal to AB. And now 20 plus BC divided by root 3 as it is, this equal to, instead of this AB we can write root 3 BC, root 3 BC. So see here is a AB equal to root 3 BC, equation 1. From equation 1, AB equal to root 3 BC. And now here 20 plus BC as it is, this equal to root 3 goes in RHS side, it become a multiplication, and here root 3 into root 3 is 3 BC. And now 20 equal to 3 BC minus BC. This BC comes in RHS side, it become a minus. And now here 20 equal to 3 BC minus BC is 2 BC. And now here 2 ones are 2 tens are. So BC equal to 10 meter. Is it clear? So BC is a width of the canal. And now we want to find out height of the canal. And now here from equation 1. So what is our equation 1? AB equal to root 3 BC, right? Then AB equal to root 3 into BC is 10, just only we find out. So here AB equal to 10 root 3. So it is a height of the tower. So write down here conclusion. Therefore the height of the tower is 10 root 3 meter and width of the canal is 10 meter. Is it clear? Well students, look at the next problem. From the top of a 7 meter height building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of diffraction of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So look at the figure. Here AB is a 7 meter height building and DC is the cable tower. Here we want to find out height of the cable tower. And here they given from the building the angle of elevation of a top of the tower is 60 degree. So here, so from a point A, the angle of elevation, here AE is the horizontal line and AD is the line of sight. So here angle of elevation is 60 degree and angle of diffraction of the foot is 45. So here angle of diffraction means AC is the line of sight here and here A is the horizontal line. This one is 45 degree. Is it clear? And see here building is vertical to the ground and a cable also vertical to the ground. It means AB is a parallel to DC or CE and also AB is equal to CD. It is also 7 meter and AE is a parallel to BC, because these two are lies between in a same parallel lines, and these two are also equal here. Solution: let AB be a building and CD be a cable tower. So now look at the figure. Here AE is a parallel to BC. BC is the ground and AE is the horizontal line. These two are the parallel means. So this angle is also 45, vertically opposite angle. Is it clear? So here I will consider a triangle ABC. ABC. So write down: in a right triangle ABC, we have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So here tan 45 equal to tan 45 opposite is AB. AB divided by adjacent is BC. BC. So now here, and here we know that the tan 45 value, that is 1 equal to AB is a 7 meter, they only given, and BC we don't know, keep as it is. BC equal to 7 meter. Is it clear? So here we find out BC is 7 meter, right? So BC is a 7 meter means AE is also 7 meter, because these two are equal, or these two are lies between in a same parallel lines. And here AE is also 7 meter. AB equal to AE, right? And now I will consider a triangle AED. So in a right AED, we have tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 equal to, so 60 opposite here, DE. DE divided by adjacent is AE. AE. And now here we know that the tan 60 value, that is root 3 equal to DE as it is, and this divided by AE. AE is a 7 meter, because AE is equal to BC. BC is a 7 meter. So here 7 comes in a LHS side, it become a multiplication. So 7 root 3 equal to DE. So here DE equal to 7 root 3 meter. Is it clear? Look at the figure. Here we find out DE. DE is 7 root 3 meter. And here we want to find out height of the cable. So height of the cable is a DC. Here DC equal to CE plus ED. DC equal to CE plus DE. Sum of these two is a DC. So here CE is a 7 meter plus DE. DE is a 7 root 3 meter. So in these two terms, 7 is a common, take outside. So here we got root 3 plus 1. So here DC equal to 7 root 3 plus 1. So height of the cable tower is 7 root 3 plus 1. So write down the conclusion here. Therefore, the height of the cable tower is 7 root 3 plus 1 meter. Is it clear?